Hey there, I'm Josephine from Nanocosmos. People know me as a dancing queen here, and you will usually find me on the dance floor. But today, I'm here to give you a quick tour of NanoStream Cloud, our real-time video streaming platform. With our CDN, adaptive player, advanced analytics, and a whole range of services, we help you stream interactive content globally and reliably, in less than a second. Let me show you how it works.
In this demo, we'll cover the basics of NanoStream with our dashboard. Of course, it offers many advanced features, including API integration that we can explore in future tutorials, but for now, let's focus on the essentials. First, you'll need to create an account. If you already have one, like the test account I'm using today, you can simply log in to access your organization's dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all your streaming activities. From here, you can create and manage streams, check analytics, and much more. NanoStream is a very powerful platform that provides valuable information to your business. With the user roles feature, you can create different access levels for your teams, ensuring you get the most out of our platform and your stream data. To add new users, simply navigate to the menu, go to your organization settings, and invite team members. This allows you to control access and make sure everyone in your organization is using NanoStream efficiently. Now let's go to action and create a new stream. To do this, click the Create Stream button. You also have the option to add custom tags, making it easier to manage multiple streams in the future. Next, you can select your transcoding profiles to ensure your stream can reach a global audience based on your specific use case requirements. This allows for adaptive bitrate streaming, making sure your content is accessible on a wide range of devices and network conditions. If you're unsure about which profile is best for your needs, feel free to contact us. We're happy to help you choose the right configuration. After creating the stream, you'll see important details like the stream name, ingest URL, and RTMP details. These are the key elements you'll need to configure your encoder. We have a list of encoders we have tested ourselves and can recommend, such as OBS, Osprey, Teradek, and Matrox. For this video, we will use OBS. Now, let's open OBS. In OBS, navigate to the stream settings and select NanoStream Cloud as the service, then paste the RTMP URL and stream key, which you'll find in the NanoStream dashboard. This ensures the stream is correctly configured to NanoStream Cloud for reliable delivery. If NanoStream Cloud or Bin2 isn't available as a preset option, select Custom and manually enter the RTMP URL in the server field and the RTMP ingest stream name in the stream key field. Once everything is set up, click Start Streaming in OBS. And just like that, you're live. It's that easy to start streaming with NanoStream. To view your stream, go to the Web Playout section in the dashboard and click on the Live Playout URL to watch your stream in action. You can also easily embed it with a code snippet or iframe into your own pages. Another section of the stream dashboard is the Alerts section. This feature provides transparent insights about your live stream performance, including estimated causes and possible solutions. You can view critical, moderate, and minor alerts, as well as any advisories, helping you to take immediate action if necessary. For more details on what each type of alert includes, check our documentation. You can also view simple metrics on your stream usage and concurrent viewers directly from the stream dashboard. For a deeper dive into these analytics, you can access the Analytics dashboard. There you will find lots of breakdowns that can help you not only improve your audience's experience, but also your service and business growth as a whole. We will cover more about it in another video. That's it for today's quick overview. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, our team is here to help. Don't forget to explore for more videos on advanced features, and happy streaming!